Hey Northwest, I'm Kelsey Corey and this is your Northwest Minute. Today is the final day to donate items for Operation Christmas Child shoeboxes. There will be a packing party tomorrow morning in the lecture hall. Come help FCA and Youth Alive pack boxes. Soccer hosts Germantown tonight. The girls start at 5:30 and the boys will play right after. Also, 9th grade basketball faces Brandon in the gym at 5 and 6:15. It's a full day of hoops at the pre-Thanksgiving Classic on Saturday. The Cougars hit the court in the evening. Girls take on Harrison Central at 4:30 and the boys battle Minden Hall at 6. Don't miss the PawMart's Black and Gold sale starting Thursday. Most Cougar apparel is 50% off. That's right, shirts and hoodies for half the price. The sale runs during third block and after school until 4 p.m. on Thursday and Friday. Stock up while you can. The sale is in stocks items only and all sales are final. And finally, congratulations to all of the class favorites and Who's Who announced last week. Here's who landed on the Who's Who list. Best Dressed, Jessica Bowman and Matthew Cronin. Best Personality, Zion Simpson and Daniel Sherman. Friendliest, Anna Claire Vowell and Matthew Todd. Cutest, Audrey Turnage and Gabe Hodges. Most Artistic, Finn Brown, Matthew Cronin and Parker Mitchell. Most Athletic, Mila Thordis and Trip Weekly. Most Likely to Succeed, Carol Zhang and Matthew Reed. Most Original, Jade Bell and Nigel Armistad. Most School-Spirited, Emery Lysette and Jack Scott. Most Talented, Avery Kirk and Jeremiah Johnston. Wittiest, Lauren Johnson and Nicholas Derrick. Most Influential, Madeline Wilson and Charles Gillespie. Most Intellectual, Carol Zhang and Judah Murphy. And your Mr. and Miss Northwest Rankin are Matthew Todd and Avery Kirk. Congratulations to everyone. The Northwest Minute is news for the student, by the student. I'm Kelsey Corey, and thanks for watching.